come across the eBay mechanic area here, and they've had a small challenge on all weekend. Small being the wrong word. There's a Range Rover behind us which went from nothing like what it's at the moment to its current state in 3 days? 3 days?
2.5 actually.
2.5 days. Bought on eBay, all the parts on eBay, and been restored to how it currently sits and runs. We've seen it run, seen it up on the stand, so we're going to have a bit of a look around. Fergus is going to show some of the trouble spots, trouble areas.
See what you can do in 2.5 days. The right man down.
What model Range Rover is this? Is the original?
Yeah, it's 1983 Range Rover Classic.
V8?
Yeah, 3.5 litre V8.
2.5 litre V8. Nice. Can we have a look at the engine bay? Big old Rover V8. How does she run?
Yeah, it runs really well. Give it a full going through, full service on the engine, drivetrain, everything like that. So it's actually running really nicely now.
How many miles has it got on the clock?
It's at 11,000 kilometres, so what's that, about 65,000 miles?
It's not many, is it?
No, it's not too bad.
New suspension, by the looks of things?
Yeah, complete new suspension, repainted all the turrets up.
Yeah. Is it leaf springs or not?
No, it's coil spring.
It's proper coil, is it?
Spring and damper separate.
Okay.
Heard on the grapevine this was an import from South Africa.
Yeah, it's originally South African car. It's only been in the country about a month and a half.
Okay. Was it running when you got it then?
Yeah, it ran and drove, but it wasn't really something you'd want to use very much. It was a bit, a bit rough.
Where were the worst areas? Was it the bodywork, or was it the engine, or was it all like or generally everything was a bit?
Yeah, obviously we've done bits to every area of the car.
Yeah.
Me South Africa didn't have too much rust. Had a little bit on the right front A-pillar, a little bit in the driver's footwell, and a little bit we found when we took the window seals out on the rear quarter lights.
Okay.
That to make a new panel for that and sort that out.
Seats don't look too clever today.
Good, well. Look at this.
You've got an armrest here right as well.
This is yeah.
It's like really, really comfortable. I'm actually quite surprised.
Yeah.
It's like
Plush for more.
big old pedals. Look at the size of them.
3 pedals as well, that's good to see.
Yeah.
4 speed.
4 speed.
What about the gauges up the top?
I'm not sure, you have to ask. Is it a rev counter?
Oh, on the left. It could be a rev counter actually.
It is a rev counter.
Yeah.
Is the rev counter aftermarket then?
We're not actually sure about that because we've seen quite a few that have that in.
Okay.
But I'm not sure if that's like a dealer fit option or if that actually came from the factory like that.
Other than changing around the seats, did you have much to do inside?
We've cleaned all the carpets really thoroughly. Had a bit of welding to do as well.
So is the interior being out? The whole interior?
Yeah, the entire interior was out.
Okay.
It's also quite cool because this car's actually done into a lot of the Safari parts. Yeah, if you look at on that rear quarter light, that's all the vehicle passes. You can see which ones they are from the outside.
It's had a working life then. It's not just sort of sat around in South Africa. It's been out in Safari. So yeah, that's a quick look around the eBay Range Rover, and we've only got 2.5 days to fix the car. This guy. Too tired.